Full time, Sheffield United won, Arsenal 2, and now we are in the semi finals of the FA Cup with goals from Nicolas Pepe, penalty, and a goal from Dani Ceballos in the 91st minute. In the first half, we struggled with aerial duels as Lindstrom had a header disallowed for offside in the 9th minute, and there was another aerial duel from which McGoldrick failed to connect with the cross. In fact, for Lindstrom's disallowed goal, it came from a corner where we did not defend well at all. We found our rhythm after the 20th minute, and in the 25th minute we took a lead. Kieran Tierney made a pass to Lacazette. Lacazette was fouled inside the box by Basham, and the referee gave us a penalty, and it was a penalty. Lacazette was supposed to take the penalty, but due to the heavy collision he suffered, he needed a little bit of treatment. As a result, Pepe took the penalty and slotted it into the bottom corner right hand to make it 1-0. We started playing a lot better and we had a couple of chances through Pepe. Pepe played a brilliant 1-2 with Lacazette, and Hennessy for them made a great save. Tierney put a shot just wide, and Pepe had a chance from a cutback from Tierney, and he put it just wide of the left-hand post. In the second half, things changed a little bit as Sheffield United were probing, but they were not able to test Emi Martinez. Xhaka had a 30-yard shot that worried Henderson, but we weren't creating much in the second half as well. Sheffield took advantage of our slack defending, poor marking from a throw-in, and McGoldrick was able to slot the ball past Emi Martinez. It was bad defending from Kolasinac, as he should have done a lot better with his marker. Sheffield had a chance thereafter where Martinez made a save. I think it was from Basham. Martinez made a good save at his near post. And then in the closing stages of the game, just as Pepe looked like he had miscontrolled the ball, Dani Ceballos, the sub, steamed in the box and slotted home from a tight angle bottom corner. At first glance, I thought he was trying to square it to Saka, but he probably meant it, so it's not really a fluke. And we win and go to the next round. Not super convincing or safe, but we did have our moments and we did take them. And in FA Cup you have to sometimes seize every moment you get. And I think we did a satisfactory job. And we did it without Oba, which was quite good. So now let's get into the player ratings. Emi Martinez, he gets 6.5 out of 10. He didn't have too many saves to make. He had one good save at the end and he had one routine save in the first half, and his distribution was okay, so he was solid. Shkodran Mustafi gets 7 out of 10 because he had a few aerial problems in the first 20 minutes, but he grew into the game and was much better with his passing. Tierney was very good. I would give him an 8 out of 10 because he was involved in the first goal and he created a chance for Pepe. David Luiz was okay, 6.5 out of 10. He was a little bit uncomfortable in the first half, but he did well he was uncomfortable for the first 20 minutes, but did a lot better in the later part of the second half. He came off injured, so that is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Now in midfield, or let's say the fullbacks that were playing as wide men as a 5-man midfield, they were wing backs essentially. Maitland-Niles gets a 6 out of 10. He kept the ball flowing, but he failed to provide any penetrating cross, or he didn't really have a shot, but he was defensively decent. Kolasinac, 6 out of 10. Again, linked up decently with Tierney, but not very good, I would say. And in an offensive sense, he was not very good. He was okay defensively, barring the goal, where he was he showed slack defending. Xhaka gets 7 out of 10 as he was steady in midfield and he was very solid, and it doesn't look like he was injured for too long against City. I thought he might be out for a longer time, but it seems like he's hardly missed a game. Willock gets a 6 out of 10 as he was okay in his distribution in the midfield. Nothing spectacular, but very steady otherwise. Pepe gets a 8 out of 10. He was quite industrious and involved in all of our attacking plays. He scored the penalty. He had 2 chances. One, he forced a good save from Henderson when he linked up well with Lacazette, and the other hit a shot that went just wide, and he also played a small part in Ceballos' goal towards the end. Saka was a little bit quiet today. It was not his best performance. I'll give him a 6 out of 10, but he did his defensive duties and he worked hard, but didn't quite produce a telling ball. Lacazette, I will give him a 6.5 out of 10. One for winning the penalty, and the second was he created a chance for Pepe, but he was a bit quiet for the second half. And in subs, they didn't get too much time to come on, but I'm going to give Dani Ceballos a 7.5 out of 10 because he didn't do much apart from scoring the winning goal. But hey, he made the most important contribution that won us the match, so at least deserves that much. So anyway, now we move on. Hopefully we can get some FA Cup glory at the end of the season. We move on to the semi-finals now, and it's good to be back at Wembley after 3 years. I remember we did win it when we were in the semi-final the last time, but this time it's a lot harder and the competition has got tougher, so let's see. Okay, thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy and have a great day.